Okay, so I just showed you a different way of using this puzzle. Now, when you're finished, you can put the pieces back here. Yes. Here we go. Where does that go? It kind of goes there. We'll have to put this one, then this. Yes. And that one, darling. Thank you. That goes, this one goes here. There we go. Alright. Goes on there. That's the egg. Sorry, I should be using the language. That's the plate with the fried egg inside it. And this is the avocado. And of course, you can take out real fruit to match. Yes, so that the children get to see the real thing as well. It's an apple. And the great thing about this that I find is my little girl won't eat that, but she'll eat this. Oh, we found it. I was sitting on it. Okay, so there we go. It goes right there. See? Now, as we pack away, we're learning something. Yeah, we're learning to make this puzzle. The action of lids, where you can play around and see what fits. Yeah, so here we go. That fits. Or that can go in there maybe. We can make our own egg. Or anything else we want. There we go. Or we could try to fit something in here. So if you had a big collection of things, like a larger collection, then you could figure out, you could put things, different things. Here we go. Oh, that fits, doesn't it? See, we can find out what fits. That's really a lot of fun to do. I love this. And we can mix the puzzle pieces as well, because the fun thing about this puzzle is that it's a block. These are blocks as well, right? But they're different shapes. They've got colours like, well, all blocks are different shapes, but you don't necessarily build with them, you know, like the other. But you can make things, you know, like this. Now, I did say you can't build with them, but hey, hang on. Of course you can, look. Ta-da, you can build. Had more pieces like that in your collection, like we have other blocks that we can use and we can build for cooking. Alright, so for example, this could be a salad. You could make a salad. Alright, so you could imagine this might be a cucumber. This could be, this is a tomato obviously. This could be some onion. Let's put the stove on. I made, so you can make things if you like. These can be switches that you could stick on if